Alright, y'all, so look, so today we going skating. Alright, I know this is like the third, fourth like skating video like on the channel. Chill, go ahead, pop it out. Listen, man, if y'all don't know, bro, I've really been getting invested with this whole skating thing. Like, I think I found like my second home. Hold on, y'all wait the lens a little bit. Oh, I'm with Justin, by the way. Yeah, I really been getting invested with this whole skating thing. If y'all haven't seen already, I already bought my own skates. You feel me? Hold on, that's just one. You feel me? And then on top of that, I just been really going skating a lot in like the last 5 months. Like, it's one of those things that I've seen people be so good at, and now I gotta be one of those people that really get good at this. So we going to a class today. Now, I don't even know if this class really is gonna go, because we looking at the IGs and stuff. You know, Justin put me on. He was telling me about the classes and stuff, and basically they do it every Tuesday. So I wasn't even gonna go originally. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm tired as hell. I literally got up, bro. I worked 6 a.m. to 2:30, bro. I was tired. When I got back, I had to work on this JKT video, which hopefully it's out by the time that this video gets out. But you know, y'all go ahead and sub up. Speaking of subs, bro, we just passed 13,000, so I appreciate each and every one of y'all. 20,000 on the way. Then we gotta get 50,000. Then we gotta get 75,000. Then we gotta get 100,000. Something like that. Without further ado, let's get on the skates. Alright, y'all, so boom, we just made it in the spot. You feel me? Hold on, shorty, damn. Huh? The vlog isn't gonna focus on skating today. We're gonna have this little like hour real quick of just freestyle skating. Then once we get to the class, that's when I'm gonna put y'all back on, because that's what y'all came here for. So I'm gonna get y'all what y'all came here for, alright? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, right? Anyways, I'll see y'all when the class is on. Alright? Starts in like an hour and a half, so catch y'all in the next clip. Alright, y'all, so we just got done. Hold on, zoom that shit out. We just got done skating for a cool hour, you know, getting our feet warm. So now we about to do the class. For reference, the class is not free for anybody that wants to do it. I think it's like $30. It's not expensive. Just, bro, if you want to get better, just buy it, bro. It's not. Come on, everybody gotta eat. You feel what I'm saying? They gotta eat. You trying to learn how to skate. So you feel me? They got you. But listen, I already see they got like cones and stuff set up, bro. Like, it's real official. Like, we're gonna be doing drills and stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, let's get into it though. You feel me? Coming a professional skater for real this time though. Look, bro, you see my shoes? Bro, look at my shoes. Nigga, my toe already beat in. Oh, I'm drunk as hell. My toe already beat in, pal. This one not so much. I drag a lot on my left foot. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. Deadass, bro. We just hit 13K. Next big goal is 20K. So like, go ahead and handle that. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not playing. Go ahead and handle that, pal. Deadass. I'm not playing with you no more. Deadass. Real shit though. Hey, buddy. Huh? How do you feel about the class, man? You ready? Yeah. I'm ready. I'm gonna pay that now before I forget, but
yeah, I need to do that too.
Yeah, but I feel ready though. I see cone drills. I never did cone drills, but I'm confident in my footwork.
Hell yeah. Hold on. Let me show y'all for reference. Let me go up to it. Look, y'all, I wasn't playing. That ass. It's about to be a real workout. You see the cones? Hold on, shorty. You see the cone cart? You feel what I'm saying? I'm telling you, got the layup drills right here. I'm telling you, bro. This is giving me PTSD. I don't know how many of y'all ever did like played a sport in y'all life. I don't know how many of y'all actually athletic. But that's giving me PTSD of like freshman basketball, bro, like with the cones and stuff, bro. I don't know if I really want to do this no more. Like, that shit look kind of crazy. We got like, I think 20 minutes before class, so I'm just going to freestyle real quick. Just get some, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, I can show y'all some work real quick. Ooh, a little rusty. A little rusty. A little rusty. Damn. But yeah, yo, I'm telling y'all, I got better, bro. I got better. It's practice, buddy. Oh, hold on. One foot on this. Hold on. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get into the classes and stuff. Yeah, come on, y'all. I'm nervous. Sorry, it's so dark. Into the first warm-up. First warm-up. Yeah, y'all got it. All right, let me see. This will definitely help right here. I know it look crazy from this angle. Oh, let me move over some. This will definitely help with like. Other side. Damn, I'm getting old. Fuck.
It's just too much copyright music going on in the background. So let me go ahead and explain this next drill real quick. So this drill, basically, the professor was teaching us like how to stop, right? Now, he was showing you how to stop with the little toe stoppers on the front. For those of y'all that still got those on, that wasn't a diss. Or to people like me who took the toe stoppers off because that's for C's. He showed us how to do a T-stop. Now, I didn't really pick this up on camera, but the T-stopping was something I actually wasn't really used to. You feel me? Like, it was showing, bro, because, like, bro, I was messing it up so bad. Like I said, I didn't get it on camera just because I couldn't move it. You know, I didn't want to, like, be distracted because I'm in class, bro. You feel me? Like, class is in session, so, like, I'm not trying to move the camera too much. But, like, no excuses, though. Y'all want to see a lot of more, like, workout footage. But, yeah, that's just to give a quick explanation of why there's a standing in line right here. Anyways, on to the next drill. This next drill, we were going in figure eights. Basically, we were learning how to turn both right and left using crossovers. Now, for those of y'all, typically, I'm just going to speak for Maryland alone. I haven't been to a skating rink outside of Maryland yet. But the 2 or 3, 4, 5 locations I've been to, the rink typically goes in a counterclockwise fashion. So you'll always, like, naturally learn how to turn left. What the professor was saying, his name is Mr. G, by the way. I don't think I've introduced his name yet. I'm gonna put it like somewhere over here. But listen, right? So basically he was showing us how to turn both right and left because he was saying it's some rinks that are outside of Maryland that they go in like a clockwise fashion. You feel what I'm saying? Look, I trust his word. I've been on skates probably longer than I've been alive, and I've been alive for like 23 years now. Like he's the inspector. What? He's the professor for a reason. I'm the student for a reason. Yeah, feel me? But bro, this was so difficult. Like, bro, I was trying to get it down, and as y'all see, bro, it looked like it was my first time touching skates. I'm like, damn, get your ass like lock in, bro, get it together. But that just goes to show, bro, like, y'all see how I was learning how to go backwards and all that. For some reason, all that didn't matter when it came to, like, the simple principles. Like, bro, learn the simple first. Yeah, feel me? If you're not gonna go to a class in person, at least learn something from this video. Like, bro, because even after this skating session, I went out on my own and just outside, I was just learning how to turn right, how to cross over, turn left, and I started learning how to go like backwards and crossing over, going left, going right, and all that. Like, bro, just learn the fundamentals before you get into all the skills, because you can know all the skills and then the fundamentals will fuck you up. It's possible. That's the road I was going down. But yeah, I think that's enough explaining that part. So on to the next warm up drill thing, whatever you want to call it.
Right, he putting in some work. Hold on.
Even as a person who somewhat knows how to skate, I don't know everything. As y'all seen, bro, I was fumbling on what you would think would be simple figure eight. But since now I realize these are outdoor wheels, like, it makes it so much harder. But real thing is just control. Huh? Yeah, that little 8 is tough. I got glow up wheels, right? Y'all didn't know? I got glow up wheels. They outdoor, which I didn't know. But I did notice the extra grippy on the ground. That's not an excuse though, because as y'all can see, bro, I can still spin around on these joints. But really, all this is, bro, is control. Like, this is the first time I'm in a class setting where, like, I feel like I'm actually learning. You feel what I'm saying? It's like on subscribe, bro. I'm telling you, this about to get crazy, man. Like, I turn forward on my toes, but then I turn backwards on my heels. It's quite interesting, I ain't gonna lie. Class just ended, it's 10:30. I'm tired as hell. Learned a lot of pivot work today. Definitely needed this class because it taught me all the fundamentals that I wasn't really learning when I first got on skates. It was over once I couldn't do tight figure eights. But it's good practice because if you want to. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get some pivot clips real quick and then probably get out of here. There you go, this nigga. All right, switch. Switch, keep it going. Keep going, keep going. That's that I got this, right? Yep. Alright. Oh, that was that. Hold on. Let me get it back. Now, when you do it, instead of landing on that back foot, land on the front foot instead. Yeah. Alright, let me try. Okay, switch back. Okay. Switch back. Switch back. Switch back. Switch back. Yup. Switch back. Switch back. Okay. Try the other side. Yeah, spin to the left, just like you did.
Once again, thank y'all for coming out. Everybody, please get home safe.
That's it.
If you got any questions, you can ask me.
All right, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, bro. 13K, bro. Run up, bro. We gotta get 20K, bro. Hey, I gotta become one of the nicest is on these skates. My brother and I showed out. We learned pivots. I know he wanted to learn pivots. Yeah, I got that shit down packed both ways. That shit's crazy. Hell yeah, bro. That shit's crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm still Devontae Freakish. I don't even know if he say this no more. Stay motivated, stay positive, and eat. Oh my gosh, bro, that's really like rejuvenates you if you eat that shit. I'm just saying, bro. We eating it all summer, no kill.